In this dashboard you are going to see some quick links of what you can do, the upload video, collections, and from here you can go to the video tab to see all the 4 types of recordings and video uploads we allow. Then here you have the statistics of your wallet balance, the bandwidth and the storage. Okay, so let's quickly move on to the first step, which is upload your video. So usually we provide several methods for you to upload your videos, which are, you can import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, Vistia, and some cloud storages like Google Drive, Box, OneDrive. So let's quickly jump on to the first step, which is upload video. And as you can see here, this is the page, and you can simply drag and drop multiple videos over here, and these videos will get downloaded quickly. Okay, so now I have dragged 3 videos right here, and you can see that the videos are getting uploaded very fast. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds. As soon as it's uploaded, the video is going to get processed and it is going to get and subscribe the thumbnails. Okay, similarly this video is now into the processing queue, and now that this video is processed. Okay, so that's how the videos are getting processed. So once you click on the video, any of the video, you will see the detailed customization settings. Okay, so this is your public link of the video, and here you have all the different types of customization settings like appearance, where you can customize the player UI, logos, colors, appearance, play buttons, animations, etc. Okay, and visibility and privacy is something where you define if video can be embedded, a video can be used on a public domain or not. It can be either allowed by other websites to embed or not, who can comment on the video, and whole bunch of settings. Thumbnails are pretty explanatory, so you can use image and video thumbnails here. Player controls gives you the player control options to customize the player UI, like you can enable or disable all your customization buttons right here, and you can enable the VR and 360-degree modes. Then you have a whole bunch of other options right here. Call to actions, these are very important if you want to set up some types of call to actions inside your video platform. Okay, and you can also collect leads from here. You can add runs, you can run advertisements in your videos, and then set up role actions and everything. Okay, so these are all the customization settings. For sake of the demo, I'm not going to explain you either of them because we have all the detailed tutorials right here inside the tutorial section, so you can always go there and check everything. Okay, now next step is here is import videos. Like I told you, you are allowed to import videos from so many different sources. So these are all available sources. You can see, just enter the URL of your video source and it will get imported into the system. So that means if you are uploading videos from different places and now you want to import back those videos from those platforms into Vidmingo, you don't have to manually do it. Just give the link here in this section and your videos will be imported from your particular source to the Vidmingo destination. Okay, so configure player, this is another important feature. Let's suppose you want to customize all your videos into one brand, so you can simply create a video player for that particular brand on the configuration player button. So you can select your collections, or you can select multiple videos, then set up all these settings, and whatever the collections or videos you will select here, all those videos or collections will have the same type of settings. So if you choose this kind of play button for a group of collections or for a group of videos, then all the customization settings inside that group will go under these settings. Okay, so they will inherit the settings from here. Similarly, you can create your own custom player by selecting or deselecting the options, and this group will only be applicable for the player controls that you have selected, right? The direct URL, this is also important feature. So let's suppose you are using your own S3 based storage, or you're using your own server for hosting your video content. So in that case, you can simply click on add new and add all your videos at the same time. Maximum of 10 videos can be uploaded here. Okay, so we give you plenty of options to import the videos from here, right? And this is one of most important, collections. So this is very cool because now here you can create several brands of yours. So if you have one brand for one part and one brand for other part, then you can create different collections here, and then you upload all those videos inside the all videos tab, and you are going to select the videos across this collection. So for example, if I'm creating this Vidmingo collection, I can simply select my videos here and all these videos will now belong to my one particular collection, right? So this is my collection and that's created, and this collection has particularly 3 videos. You can set the thumbnails here. If you want to share this collection as a playlist, you can simply use this embed code, copy it, or you can also share the public link here. So if you go there and open and run this URL, you will see that this collection has 3 particular videos, and you can easily share this link to anyone. Okay, it takes a while to load. Okay, so here it is loaded and all your videos are here. Okay, now we go to the another section which is very important, and it is called stream. So guys, this version Vidmingo, we have super updated that, and this is like supporting live stream. So if you have already the live stream things, you can upload those live streams into the create stream tab, which looks similar like uploads. And once you have uploaded your stream videos, okay, this is my stream tab, you can simply upload the videos here, and once you do that, you will have something like this. And once you open that, now you will have another option for schedule stream, right? So this schedule stream gives you the ability to stream your video at a particular date. Okay, so if you want to make your video to go live on 20th, just select this and set schedule, and your video is successfully scheduled. Now if you send this link to anyone, or if you send this link in your webinar or somewhere else, you will see that you are getting the registrations, but people are only be able to access this webinar in these days, and this is the time frame that is showing them that this video is going to get live on this particular time and date. Okay, so that's how this live streaming works. And why this live streaming is so important, because it is based on HLS playback, which means we have connected the RTMP endpoints over here, so you can simply get your video uploaded here and you can live stream. Okay, and if you go here, you can also do plenty of cool things, like you can go live yourself inside the camera and record screen as well. Okay, so if you go live here, you have 3 modes of recordings: audio only, video only, and audio with audio, audio with video. So choose whatever you like. Similarly, we have options for screen. So if you just want to create a screen recording, go here. If you want to show yourself in the camera and also record the screen at the same time, choose this mode, simply select the mode, and then you will have a start recording button. And this start recording button, once you click that, you have multiple options like entire screen to share. You can also share a particular window, or you can also share a Chrome tab. Okay, so whatever you like, just select and click on the share button and it will start working. Okay, now the next part we want to show you is text to speech, which is pretty self-explanatory. So let's suppose you have great skills for creating videos, but you're not as good as voiceover artists. So what you can do here is you can copy paste your video script here, your VSL script here, video sales letter script, and then select the language you want, and you have so many voiceover artists right here which are professionally trained artificial intelligence based voiceover artists, right? So also you can select between standard and artificial intelligence voices. So let me tell you, standard voices are more sounding towards robotic voices, and AI voices are more towards very natural human like sounding voices. Okay, but they also get 4 times expensive. So here you get 1 character, 1 letter, but here on the AI voices, which are neural voices, you will be charged 1 letter for 4 characters. Okay, so this is a little bit expensive, but it's always worth it if you don't have your own skills to record the voiceover for your videos, right? Okay, so also if you are low on characters, you can always buy characters inside this Vidmingo platform. Just click here and you can upload your wallet, and then your wallet balance will be deducted. Okay, now we provide you some extra tools here inside this section for free, like you can create video to GIF. So just record the screen and go here, and you can record directly a GIF from there to share with someone. If you want to show very small things or very small issues or bugs or something, simply start recording, create that particular issue part and convert that into a GIF and then share it to anyone. And we give you options of stock images and videos where you can use these videos for your production things and for your own things, right? Now the next cool feature inside Vidmingo is the leads. That means whenever you are sharing your videos, you are having your customers, you can grab attention, you can set up the email leads collections inside the videos form, and you can be able to collect leads. and whatever the leads that are collected during your video plays, you can download them from the emails tab page, right? So right now there are no leads, but if you select your email campaigns, then the leads will show here, and you can also send these leads directly to your connected autoresponders. So we have provided you already the most used autoresponders integrations right inside Vidmingo. So once you have set up the opt-in form inside your video, simply connect with your autoresponder to get this thing working. Okay, so whatever the leads are entered in this Vidmingo platform, those leads will be automatically synced to your connected autoresponder list. Okay, next section goes to analytics part, where you will be able to track all different kinds of things like your unique visitors, like your impressions, how much views you are getting, how many visitors you are getting, what is your watch time, and you can do all these things as per your videos and your collections, right? So you will be able to see actually how many people are browsing and visiting your videos and what they are doing. The engagement part, so this is different from the users overview part, because the analytics overview gives you information about your visitors, about your users, but the engagement part tells you about what people are doing inside your video, whether they are watching this video completely or they are leaving the video in between, if they are clicking on any types of links, or if they are, you know, sharing this video to someone else, copy pasting these links to somebody else. So these things are all covers under the engagement part, right? Okay, it takes a while to load. Let's move on to the next part. Till now videos part, where I was telling you that the multilingual part is super important and it's very useful, because let's assume that you are watching a YouTube video, or you're watching a video in some other language and you don't understand that language, right? So what you can do, here is simply download the video and give this multilingual file a name, something like this. And after that you are going to select the method from where you are going to get that video. So you can directly use the URL right here of the video. You can also upload the video, and you can use the video from YouTube and Vimeo. So once you do that and go on to the next step, you will be able to translate that particular video. Okay, so for this demo I'm going to use this upload file. Okay, and when you go on the next step, you will have the options to configure, right? So you can choose your specific language if you know already what language this video is. So you can simply select this option and select the video, like this is Chinese for example. And if you don't know what language this has, so you can choose the automatic language identification, and in this case you can choose your suspected languages. So if you think this is a Chinese, or if you think this is a Dutch language, simply select 3-4 languages and the system will try to understand the text in these languages. Okay, but even if you don't choose anyone, it's also fine. The system is automatically able to detect the language, right? The next part is audio identification. So if you want your audio to have multiple channels or speakers, then you can choose these options. And finally the format, so in which format you want to export your video files, right? So if your original language is in English and you want to convert this into some other language, simply select the subtitle file. So in the next step you can translate this subtitles file and convert into some different language, so that you can auto transcribe this particular part. Okay, so just create on the transcription job, and once you do that, you will be redirected automatically to this page where it says your job is in the progress queue. Okay, so please wait for some time, probably like 1 or maximum of 2 minutes, and after that this file will be available for you, and then you can go to the action tab to see how this is working. So for now I'm going into this video which is completed earlier. So if you go inside here, you will see that this was the video and this is all my text, right? So this is all my text, and now I can simply translate this text to whatever language I want and then export my subtitles, right? So that's how this part is working, and you can create your multilingual videos right inside VideoMan. Okay, right inside Vidmingo, sorry. So that's how this entire platform works. and I hope you already like this platform and the video. Also, if you want to have partnership with us, you can buy our agency plan, and once you do that, you will be able to resell Vidmingo as our partners, right? Then you will have access to the partner central, right? And your entire billing and things are available inside the billing tab. So guys, uh, thank you again for purchasing Vidmingo, and have a nice day. Bye.